Nice and early.
Oh, don't mind that, bro.
Whoa, what happened here? What happened here? Good day. Well, welcome back to another vlog. Got the box man.
What's up, guys?
It's a little early.
6 a.m., bro.
Okay. It's not 6 a.m., but it's early.
No, it's 6 a.m., bro. Don't lie to it.
We're gonna go to the.
Don't see the clock, but it's the earliest we've been out, bro.
We're gonna go to the junkyard and find some goodies for the Mustang. Well, Boombox's Mustang. We're gonna see if they still have them. He said he saw the car 2 days ago, so
It was just put in 2 days ago, so chances are pretty high.
you have high hopes.
Yeah, kind of.
If the parts ain't there, then you know people are on it like scavengers.
Yeah, bro.
They're just preying on the car to come in, and then as soon as it comes in, they
Oh yeah.
all hands on. But let's see if they have them.
I mean, it's still early. Technically, it's only been 2 days.
On
We'll
a
see.
Sunday, beautiful Sunday afternoon, and we're out here getting parts. I'm not supposed to be recording in here, but I'm willing to take my chances for the viewers. They like this quality content over here.
That's real shit right here. Getting dirty today.
One Mustang.
Sure.
Nothing good. On to the next one. Another Mustang. Nothing good. He said, Boombox said he saw a black one online. Oh, I think he found it. He found the black one online that had the little side scoops. Like they're like 03, 04 GT side scoops, or they come in the Cobra too. They look way better when they have that than nothing. These are what we came for, literally just these two. Luckily it has, does it have that side?
Yeah.
Luckily it has that side as well.
I'm surprised it's good condition. It was hit on this side, but the molding is still good.
Oh yeah, these things online go for like,
Yeah.
I've seen the pair for like 200.
Yeah, I saw them on eBay. They were pretty.
You want to switch?
Just a little weird.
Stage 3.
That was manual as well.
Oh.
Yeah, I barely nicked it. It's like.
Nah, it's not,
you
it's
can
not bad though.
No, it's pretty good.
Lucky.
We'll just sand it and paint them.
We're gonna have Rick sand it and paint. We have a paint department on the channel.
Bro, this is what I was looking for yesterday, but I could not find one of these.
So what'd you get?
I had to buy the whole thing.
AutoZone?
Yeah.
How much was it?
112. It was leaking right here. It had a tiny little nick, and it was leaking little by little. And I found one, but it was a different sensor. It didn't fit.
Oh, I have the plastic welder at home. You should have just told me.
I mean,
Yo, you need the batteries. Do you need the batteries?
no.
Hey, you have these wheels. These are the ones you have.
No, bro. Those are too
Take the Cobra center cap. Does it have all 4?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a steal right there. Get them.
Trying to see what else I got. Oh, this is the hood that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got the poker chip. We'll play later.
Did you see how to take these off?
Yeah.
Let's get to it. Hopefully you don't break it. Uh-oh.
Oh, that's a good sound.
We're gonna have to or some source. If you break one, you'll just put 3M tape, double-sided tape. That's one.
We need these.
But they.
So the seat
Oh
there.
yeah.
This one is a little damaged.
It seems like it's. You could save it though.
Yeah. Just sand it down real quick.
How much do you think they're gonna be? Online, they're like 200 bucks for both.
I don't know, honestly.
15 bucks.
They usually charge, like I've noticed in the receipts that they charge by like the length, like by the feet, or what, a foot, sorry, like trim molding by the foot.
Oh yeah, this is more than a foot, bro.
That's what the receipt usually says, like trim molding.
That's gonna be an expensive part. It's over a foot. Beautiful, beautiful.
Nothing broken.
That looks good.
Yeah, we'll just sand them and paint them ourselves.
Have a knife on you, would you?
To the big bobs.
I just need the Cobra bumper, and we should be good.
What about the wing? Nah,
I have that one.
nothing else. I think we're good on everything else.
I mean, we'll just keep looking around still, but
We're here like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Boombox here wants to look around. Oh look, the first gen Civic.
oh shit, pretty cool.
Well, the body's pretty straight on this side.
So 1971 Honda 600.
Oh no, this is beat up. Actually, it's
Make your own subframe? K-swap this shit?
this is tiny. I'll give you $5 to jump in the stack of tires.
Make it 20.
It probably wouldn't hurt. It's all rubber.
I'll belly flop in it.
Cannonball right there. You want a motorcycle?
What wheel is this?
Like a Rhoda.
The Genesis that we were looking for?
Still a Rhoda right there off of a Civic or something.
STR
STR.
Racing.
Still a replica. Oh, they're off of that shit.
Yeah.
He paid 20 bucks. Online they are 205. 19 something. He said, why so much? When online they're 200. And you were still complaining about 19 bucks.
Yeah.
What a cheap bastard.
Aftermarket, I wanted OEM, bro.
That was actually OEM though.
Oh, is it?
I mean, yeah, that's Mustang. What year was that Mustang?
2000.
Well, someone bought them. They don't say Ford inside?
Uh-uh. Just said scoop.
Maybe, but someone spent the 200 to put them on, whatever. The inside?
Nah, but it's cool.
It's still cool. 20 bucks. Hell yeah.
This one's a little more beat up than this one. This one's fresh.
Day by day is turning into a little Cobra. We can have Rick fix that. Rick, if you're watching this, that job is yours. Powder coat the side scoops. Today what we're doing is, as you can see, I'm driving the Cobra. I'm gonna hit a local, oh, I don't have my seatbelt. I'm gonna hit a local Mustang meet that they have here in Norwalk, and it's called Mustang Mondays. It's every Monday, the last Monday of the month. That's when they do it. Every Monday, the last of the month. And it's my first time going there. I've never gone. I heard it gets pretty cool cars. It gets really busy from what I heard. It starts at 6:30, I believe. It's 5:30. So they say if you get there after 6:36, then you're pretty much gonna park outside or on the side or something. And I'm trying to get a little bit of a good parking spot just to be inside. Boombox is gonna go with me, so I'm gonna just go get him in his Mustang GT and then head on out. While we wait on Boombox real quick, I didn't clean it up. I watched it that one first time and that was it. It's not too bad. Ooh-wee. She's nice. starting to get cold out here. This traffic, man. It's probably gonna take like 30-35 minutes to get there, and it's not even that far, but traffic just makes it bad. There's a box man. Whoa. You're blocking the pump for 10 bucks?
20 with
The usual 20.
it's a strategy, bro. It's called weight reduction.
The usual
Why do
20?
I want a full tank, bro? It's gonna slow me down.
There was a half a tank. It's drinking a little more than I thought. 29 bucks for another half? I don't know. Pretty cheap, but I guess whatever. Oh man, this damn mail guy. We're pretty much here. It's in this parking lot. Let's see if it's busy. It's 6:11, so oh man, I see the fastback right there. Dope. That fastback looked nice. I believe it's to the left. Oh, perfect. Not too much parking everywhere so far, so we're good. That fastback right there is gold. Then we're gonna go steal the wheel specs. Tell me you're fast without telling me you're fast. And turn me over there though. Pretty badass. We out here. Old school Mustangs. This is probably my favorite car right here. Those fastback. Looks super cool. This one looks nice too. I like the wheel fitment, wheel selection. Pretty nice. What is that? God damn, crazy. This little Cobra right here, pretty badass. The wheels, man. I need these CCWs. Pretty badass. $4,800 wheels only. Sick. Super clean. Yeah. We're gonna get a quick snack.
What that looks like?
I forgot my mask, so I sent Boombox inside for my chips. You got one? Hell yeah, let's go. Back to the car meet. They were on special. You buy 4 and you get 1 for free, so I bought 4. So that was the end of that little car meet. I'm gonna just end my night with some food, go home and eat, and then that's it. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.